Bye.
Sup? So we're back with a double eBay. That's eBay?
Yeah, double
eBay break 823. SPX double. So I'll wish you good luck and a bonne chance tout le monde. 10 packs per box, 10 paquets par boîte. And the first pack. We start with a nice rookie auto. It's only the auto. St. Louis Blues of Colton Parayko. Focus camera. Colton Parayko, nice.
There you go.
And it's numbered to 299. Nice hit for St. Louis. Je vais sortir de St. Louis. Pack 2. Nice! Another rookie auto. It's an auto jersey this time for the Vancouver Canucks of Hunter Shinkaruk. Number to 499. Nice way to start this break. Next pack, we have SPX rookies, Boston Bruins, Giannis Kampainen. Pack 4. We have a shift change, Colorado Avalanche of Nathan McKinnon. SPX rookie, Chicago Blackhawks of Tanner Kiro. Pack 6. We have a Stick Wizards, Pittsburgh Penguins of Yevgeny Malkin. Shift change, Calgary Flames of Sam Bennett. T'as-tu vu? 2 rookie auto. Pack number 8. SPX rookies of Tommy Cross, Boston Bruins. The rookie fabrics for the Colorado Avalanche of Mikko Rantanen.
That's my boy.
Not numbered. And the last pack of box number 1, we have a Stick Wizards, Pittsburgh Penguins of Sidney Crosby. Nice box. Let's see what we got in the second box. Yep. Pack 1, box 2. We start with for the Vancouver Canucks again, SPX rookie auto of Ben Hutton, number 299, 45 out of 299. Nice break for Vancouver. We have a Stick Wizards, Colorado Avalanche of Matt Shane. Nice, this is the short print. Dallas Stars, rookie premiere, number 49 of Matthias Janmark. Nice hit for Dallas. Nice, what a break for Vancouver. SPX rookie jersey, Hunter Shinkaruk, number 499. Wow.
4 autos. 5 autos.
That's the third auto for Vancouver Canucks.
5th auto in 2 box.
5 auto in 2 box. Oh, once again, my boy. SPX, Boston Bruins, Tommy Cross. Ouais, Vancouver sont forts, là. We have a shift change, San Jose Sharks of Nikolai Goldobin. Qui? T'as les Bruins? Je vais essayer, là, mais pas facile. We have a Stick Wizard, Florida Panthers of Jaromir Jagr.
Il n'y a pas de Bobby Orr dans le checklist, c'est ça le truc?
Ah, il n'y a pas de Bobby Orr. C'est une joke, ça?
Ah, il pense qu'il y a une Bobby Orr, mais il n'y a pas de Bobby Orr.
François me dit qu'il n'y a pas de Bobby Orr.
Il n'y a pas de Bobby Orr dans le checklist, Johan.
Shift change, Colorado Avalanche of Nathan McKinnon.
C'est une couple de fois qu'on l'a averti.
And 2 packs left. Oh, il prend pas. Il comprend pas. We have a Stick Wizard. Second one I pull. Evgeny Malkin, Pittsburgh Penguins. And the last pack. We have the SPX rookies for the Winnipeg Jets of Andrew Cup. Yeah, copy paste box. Alright, that's it for this break. We'll be right back with break 824. Inner case. Thanks. See you later. Bonsoir. Please press stop.